Mold. A merciless force that can be a mission to control, unless you have the right people by your side to stop it from spreading and bring an end to its exponential reign of terror. That's where we come in. Our expert team of mold remediation experts will step into your picture and restore your property to its former glory. Something as seemingly small as a water leak or even excess humidity can cause mold to develop and spread in as little as just 48 hours. This can cause allergens, with the possibility of other health issues as well. Whether your home or business is suffering at the hands of this beast, we'll diligently inspect and assess your unique problem, utilizing advanced equipment and forward-thinking expertise to make your mold dilemma a thing of the past. If you see any signs of mold creeping into your home, call us as soon as possible and bring an end to the battle.